When working inside of Flash, we have some different tools that make life a little bit easier for us for lining things up. Notice we've got these 4 different shapes that I've created. And we want to distribute these evenly. We want to space them evenly and we want to line them up. Now we could do this numerically. We could go under here, under the positioning, and under the width and height. But you know what? That's too much work for me. Let's open up one of the panels here under Windows. Let's look under the Align panel. And here it is. If we select all of these, notice too that when I'm selecting them, the background's not being selected. As you might have noticed, it's a different color than before. And that's because we can change the background color in here. And the background color doesn't affect anything apart from what we see on the stage. When you publish this and you place it over the top of another movie, it's going to be transparent anyway. So let's have a look at our align here. If we choose the align to top, notice that these are now all aligned on the top. Now if we want to even them out, we just use distribute and we could even them center, just like that. Now if you want to put something in the center of the stage, let me just drag this out. We've got this, we choose the to stage option. And now we do the center. Now it's centered it vertically. And now we click again and now it's centered horizontally. And that's found the exact center of the stage. Now you would just turn that option off. And you can see in here there's some different options there. You can align them left, center, or right. Top, center, or bottom. We can distribute them to the top, to the center, or to the bottom. So this actually, if you have different shapes, for instance, like circles and maybe some rectangles where there are different shapes, and you want to evenly distribute these, let's select these 3 here, you can have them distribute by the left sides, by the right sides, or by the centers. So that's kind of how that works. And then also we can match the sizes and the space. These are things that you will experiment with. Like if we click here, match size, notice that makes that bigger, that they match, and let's just distribute them to the top. And you can see that. And then if I had these underneath, it would match the sizes of these. Let's have a look at this right now. We'll select all 3 of those. And then we'll match their sizes and width. And notice that that just does that. And they're not aligned. Notice the alignment there. They're all over the place. We can align those to the left. And see they all line up. And now they're the same size. And also you can do it by space. You can have equal space in between them. Then between those 2 now you'll see the space is equal. So you can see these align and distribute tools are very useful for arranging multiple things on the stage.